Yes, children. Good morning, everybody. Yesterday we learned our third lesson about weather and climate. What is weather? Weather is the state of the atmosphere surrounding us at a particular place and time. Okay, weather is a condition of air in a particular place and time. The elements of air: temperature, air pressure, movement of the air and moisture in the air. And climate. What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a place for a long period of time. Weather is at a particular time, but climate is the average weather condition of a place for a long time in a particular place. Okay, children? Then what are the factors of the climate? How the climate will affect? It is depend upon the distance from the equator and distance from the sea and height above the sea level, and the prevailing winds and moisture in the air. These are the factors which determine in the climate of a particular place. And now distance from the sea already we know. Height above the sea, yesterday we learned. Prevailing winds, how all these factors can determine the climate. Moisture in the air. Now the heat zones. Now we should learn the topic of the heat zones of the earth. Heat zones. Depending upon the amount of heat received by the earth, it can be divided into 3 climatic or heat zones. Depending upon the amount of heat, how it has divided? It is divided by amount of heat received by the earth. How much heat in which places we are receiving. Depending upon the heat of the earth, it has been divided into 3 heat zones or 3 climatic zones. 3 climatic zones are 3 heat zones of the earth. What are they? Climatic zones. For example, it is a earth. The earth has been divided by the imaginary line on the 0 degrees. It is equator. The earth has been divided into 2 equal halves. 2 equal halves. It means 2 equal hemispheres. From 0 degrees to 90 degrees north pole. From 0 degrees to 90 degrees south pole. Okay, children. 0 degrees to north pole, northern hemisphere, and 0 degrees to 90 degrees south pole, northern hemisphere. It has been divided by the equator as 2 equal halves by dividing on the 0 degrees an imaginary line equator. Equator is dividing the earth into 2 equal halves, 2 hemispheres, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And these hemispheres can be divided into 3 climatic zones. Depend upon the receiving of the heat of the place. It has been divided by heat of that place. Okay children, being near to the equator, some of the important latitudes are there. Okay na? From 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees on both sides. Here also 23.5 degrees south. Here also 23.5 degrees north. Okay, being near to the equator, these places are receiving very heat. Why? Because the sun rays falls on the equator directly. Being near to the equator, these 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south, these are very near to the equator. It is the name of this parallel lines are Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer on the north, Tropic of Capricorn in the south. It means these places from 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees on both sides, these places are called tropical zone. Tropical zone. Why? Because these places are named by as tropic. From 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees north, 23.5 degrees south. These places are called tropical zone. Here the climate is very hot. Very hot. This tropical zone also called a torrid zone. Torrid zone. Tropical zone or torrid zone. Why? Because these places are receiving very heat of the sun. Being near to the equator, it is called the tropical zones or torrid zone. The climate is very hot. The climate in these places, these tropical zones. Which is the tropical zones? From 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees north, from 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees south. These places, these 23.5 degrees on both sides, both hemispheres, are called a tropical zone or torrid zone. Here the climate is very hot. Why? Because being near to the equator. Let us go through the next. It is 66.5 degrees north, 66.5 degrees south. These are Arctic Circle. This is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. These are Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. South side Antarctic Circle. These are on the 66.5 degrees. On the north is Arctic Circle and 66.5 degrees. On the south is Antarctic Circle. Yes, 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees we learn now. What is this? These are called a tropical zone. Tropical zone. From 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees. From 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees. On north side and south side. On the both hemispheres. From 23.5 degrees north to 66.5 degrees north. And from 23.5 degrees south to 66.5 degrees south. On both sides, these places are called temperate zone. Temperate zone. From 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees north. From 23.5 degrees south to 66.5 degrees south. On both hemispheres. Both hemispheres means northern hemisphere and as well as in the southern hemisphere. These places are called temperate zone. In these places, the climate is not very hot, not very cool. Moderate. The climate in these places is moderate. Why? Because these are not very near to the equator and not very near to the poles. These are middle. The 23.5 degrees is very near to the equator. Okay? And 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees very near to the poles. But 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees on both hemispheres, not very near to the equator, not very near to the poles, not very near to the equator. Equator ki దగ్గరలో ఉంది 23.5 degrees and is 66.5 degrees. It is not very near to the equator, not very near to the Arctic Circle and North Pole and South Pole. Okay? This is far from equator, far from poles. It means the climate is not very hot, not very cool. Why? Because these are not very near to the equator. Equator ki దగ్గరలో 23.5 ఉంది. మరి ఇది నార్త్ పోల్ కి సౌత్ పోల్ కి దగ్గరలో కూడా లేదు. కాబట్టి these place from 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees on the both hemisphere, on both sides of the earth are receiving not very cool climate, not very hot climate. It is, the climate is moderate. Moderate means medium. Okay na? These places are called a temperate zone. Temperate zone. These places are suitable to live. In these places from 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees on both hemisphere on the north and south side. Those places are called the temperate zone. Here the climate is not very cool, not very hot. The climate is moderate. And one more is from 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees poles. Okay? From 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees north side. From 66.5 degrees south to 90 degrees south pole. From these place, these 22.5 degrees, 24.5 degrees place, 23.5 degrees place is called a every latitude having 23.5 degrees distance from 0 degrees to 23.5. From 0 Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle 23.5. From Arctic Circle to poles. Okay na? 23.5 degrees difference is there. From 66.5 degrees to poles on the North Pole and South Pole. These places are very near to the poles. Very near to the poles. What are poles? The two end points of the earth. The two end points, North Pole, South Pole. These are called poles. These places from 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees north, and which are the places from 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees south. These places are very near to the poles. Being near to the poles, these places receive very cool climate. Why? Because the most of the part of the poles covered by the sun rays. Okay na? These places are called polar zone. Polar zone. Polar zone. Why this name has given? Being near to the poles. These places is receiving more coolness from the poles. The climate is very cool in the from 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees. On both sides, these places are called polar region, polar zone. In this place, the climate is very cool. The climate is very cool because the poles are always covered with snow throughout the year. Once again, I am repeating the three heat zones of the earth. Three climatic zones, three heat zones of the earth. Okay, it is depend upon this divided as the places which are receiving the heat of the sun. The amount of heat receiving by the earth has been divided into three parts. One is equator to 23.5 degrees on both sides. These places are called a tropical zones or torrid zone. Why? Because it is very harsh climate, very hot climate, torrid, very torrid. It means this being near to the equator, the sun rays falls vertically near to the equator places. Then the places near to the equator is receiving very hot. It means these places are called tropical zone or torrid zone. The climate in these places is very hot, and from 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees on both sides, on the north side and south side. These places are called a temperate zone. From Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle, from Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. These places are called a temperate zone. In this temperate zone, the climate is not very cool, not very hot. Why? Because these places not very near to the equator and not very near to the poles. In the middle of the earth, not very near to the poles, not very near to the equator. It means the climate is not very cool, not very hot, the moderate climate. And from Arctic Circle to North Pole, Antarctic Circle to South Pole, 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees on both sides. These places are called a polar region, polar zone, because these places are being near to the poles. These places are receiving very cool climate. Why? Because it is the poles are covered with full of ice throughout the year. Then these places are receiving more coolness of the earth. Okay children, is it clear? The climatic zones. Okay na? Three climatic zones. Three climatic zones of the earth are three heat zones of the earth. One is tropical zone and torrid zone. From 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees on both sides. And one more is temperate zone. From 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees on both sides. And one more is polar zone. From 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees on both sides. These are the three climatic zones of the earth. Three climatic zones of the earth. First one is tropical zone. 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees both sides. Both sides. And the second one is temperate zone. Temperate zone 66.5 degrees, 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees. And the third one is polar zone from 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees on both sides. Here it is hot. Here it is moderate. And here it is cool. The climate in these places like this. Three heat zones of the earth. First one is tropical zone 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees on both sides. The climate in this place is hot. And temperate zone 23.5 degrees to 66.5 degrees on both sides. The climate is moderate. And polar zone 66.5 degrees to 90 degrees on both sides. The climate is very cool. Why? Because these being near to the poles. Poles are covered with full of ice throughout the year. I think it is clear. It is understood. to everyone what I have explained to you about the 3 heat zones of the earth. Let us go through the summative and formative assessment from page number 23. Page number 23, Amma. Page number 23. The main elements of weather. What are the main elements of the weather? Temperature, moisture, temperature, second moisture, third one movement of air, and all of this. Which is the main element of weather? Main element of weather is temperature, also one of the element, moisture also one of the element, movement of air. It means the answer is all of this. And amount of moisture, second one, amount of moisture present in the air is called humidity or rainfall, clouds, snow, humidity. Okay. Which part of the earth experience hot and humid climate throughout the year? Temperate zone, frigid zone, torrid zone, none of this. Torrid zone. Okay. And which of the following is located on the sea coast? Delhi, Banaras, Hyderabad, Mumbai. The main factors which determine the climate of a place are distance from the equator, distance from the sea, moisture in the air, all of these. All of these is the main elements. All of these are the main elements of the climate. Okay. And go through the page number 24. Seabed, fill in the blanks. If textbook is there with you, you can find in the textbook. Fill in the blanks. Dash does not remain the same. First one, weather does not. Page number 24, first one, seabed. First one, weather. Weather does not remain the same. It can be changed from place to place at time to time. Dash is the main source of heat and light. Which is the main source of the heat and which is the main source of the heat and light? The sun. The sun is the main source of the heat and light of the earth. The lands near the equator dash are hotter than the lands near the poles, equator, which are near to the equator. And height above the sea level is called yesterday I explained, altitude. What is that, Amma? Altitude. Altitude of a place. And the winds coming from the sea cause dash more rainfall than those coming from the land. More rainfall. I think you all some are having textbook. Just you can copy the fill in the blanks, and it is on the rub book. Okay, children? Just you can copy, Amma. Okay. If it is possible, you can copy in your textbook. Otherwise, it is in the rub book. These are the 3 climatic zones: tropical zone, temperate zone, polar zone. Climate in the tropical zone very hot. In the temperate zone moderate. In the polar zone it is very cool. These are the 3 climatic zones of the earth. And these are the fill in the blanks from the page number 4, page number 24, bit number 3. First one weather, second one the sun, equator, altitude, more. Okay, children, thank you listening to my class. Thank you very much. Yes, I think you are copying.